Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I just soaked the wood, bitch, I'm smoking on 2-3. You gon' get smacked by that paper, no loose leaf. Look, he a bitch, I think he got a cool. We don't smoke, baby, Joe, I can he like Lou. Me, I smoking on Ryan, think I'm finna lose. Whole time, keep playing what they like till they lose. All you bitches gon' get, I ain't picking a choose.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons TV, you feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all boys in promethazine, you feel me? I'm just finna start this video off with a little walk around, you feel me, of the whip to let y'all new niggas see how that bit looking, you feel me? I know y'all see the pearl on that bit, you feel me? That bit hitting real hard on this nice, you feel me, night downtown, you feel me? But anywho, we finna go ahead and get into this nighttime POV, y'all, you feel me? We just finna hit downtown, you feel me, cut up a little bit. We got the purple lights in the inside, you feel me? Everything purple. Get too far in the video, y'all. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Hit the post notification bell. Make sure y'all boys watch the whole video, you feel me? Because you don't want to miss this lit content, you feel me? But without any further ado, we'll go ahead and get in there whip. Y'all can see we behind the wheel of the whip, you feel me? So we finna go ahead and get started with this little POV for y'all boys, you feel me? I just gotta get out this little parking spot because the nigga don't wanna let me over, you feel me? These niggas be taking long as hell. All right, we good now. Come on, nigga. This nigga driving slow as hell. Yeah, we finally got out of that bitch. Damn, I'm spinning like hell. We just finna do like a little downtown POV for y'all boys. A little nighttime, you feel me? Y'all boys can see we got that bit in custom mode. So basically we got everything in track, but we got suspension in street because this bit is lowered. And driving over bumps with these roads in Alabama, nigga, that jump feel like a nigga driving over mountains on God. You feel every little crease in the road with being lowered. I ain't gonna count. But what we gonna do, we gonna bust this hill up right. And hopefully the police don't bother us. The only thing I hate about the downtown POVs, which I always say about, is the traffic lights. We got the motorcycle boys right there though. I'll burn all that. No cap. These niggas right here acting like I'm finna hit their ass. Walk out motherfucking there across the street. Sardine face ass girl. Oh God. What's wrong with them niggas? Nigga, we trying to move. Is any police behind me? Cause I'm finna run this hoe. Oh God. Nigga, I don't stop at red lights in 2025, nigga. That bit echoing loud as hell. I guess I'm gonna be making a lot of right-hand turns, or I can't turn right on that road. It's gonna be wraps. It smells like some shit on fire. It smells terrible as hell out there, bitch. No keezy. Police don't get on me tonight. My tire's too bald to be running from there. I'm not gonna lie. I heard somebody cutting up, so I'm gonna cut up too. I'm trying to figure out what direction I'm trying to go, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all niggas like some underpasses, like, you know, where the sound echo. This my shit just, I think my tires just squeaked on the downshift. Damn! Goddamn! This loud ass car. You gotta watch out for these pedestrians around here, bitch. Disturbing the peace out there, bitch. I still do supposed to be having some different content for y'all boy though, you feel me? I still ain't got my AC fixing it, bitch. I've been so busy lately, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've been supposed to got my AC fixed, but it's like I was working all week last week, you feel me? I'm gonna try to get it fixed tomorrow though. I just gotta figure out where the leak at. I put some Freon in that bit. We were cooling for 2 days, you feel me? After the 3rd day, nigga, it was back hot. Oh God. I was hoping that all we needed was some Freon, but shit. I know now that ain't a problem. Now they got some monster trucks over there, bitch. No cap. Look at that shit. I need somebody to steal me that bitch. Put a Hellcat motor in that hole. Oh God. Damn. I made mistake of put. When I did that jump, I couldn't even find a paddle shift. I was trying to shift the whole time out there, bitch. I could not find a paddle. Damn, I'm on a one-way. Let me turn my ass around. Oh, God. Nigga finna go head up with a nigga. I'm the worst downtown driver ever. I ain't gonna count. I'm not the person you want to drive downtown. Every time I come down this bit, I end up on a one-way. Nigga be confused as hell. I can't cut up how I want to because I don't got my head mount. I forgot to left it at the house. So I'm trying to do this job with one hand. But they bit different from a scat, bro. They bit like the goddamn, they bit be a red line fast as hell. Watch out, this little train track. Damn. I don't know if these them deep train tracks or what. Gotta go slow over these hoes. No cap. I don't even know why I'm at, y'all. Downshift. Damn, I forgot. They got the road blocked off right here. Because the water be accumulating down that bitch. Oh well. That means we gotta go a different way. I think I'm gonna have to turn around, y'all. I don't know where the hell I'm at now. Oh God, I don't. I'm just driving. I may know where I'm at now.
Not gonna lie, I think I do.
No, I don't, because I just ran the stop sign. I'm weak as hell. Damn, I ended up right back where I was at. Yep, I'm right back where I started it. I'm tweaking. I need a GPS on God. Damn. My car's scraping like hell. I don't think I'm doing it going over down train track.